In this tutorial, we're going to see how to start growing free forms. Wash your hair with a residue-free, sulfate-free shampoo. Avoid conditioners or detanglers, they soften and separate strands, which delay lock-in. Clean hair tangles and mats more effectively, which is ideal for forming locks. Once clean, don't comb or brush your hair. This is the foundation of freeforming. Let your hair knot, coil, and tangle naturally as it grows. This encourages the natural locking process without manipulation. Avoid waxes, heavy creams, and styling gels. These can use build-up and prevent proper lock-in. Use light, natural oils like coconut oil, jojoba oil, and castor oil to moisturize your scalp and prevent itching or flaking. Less product, less build-up, and more freedom for your hair to do its thing. If you prefer small individual locks, occasionally separate them by hand. Gently pull apart large mats or sections to avoid one giant Congo. Do this after a wash or when your hair is slightly damp to reduce breakage. Freeform locks take time to mature. This could be several months to a year depending on your hair texture and length. Avoid manipulating or retwisting. It defeats the purpose of going freeform. Also enjoy each stage of your journey like budding, sprouting, swelling, or maturing. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.